Mabuhay and Namaste. I am Chef Surat Rana, your Indian chef in Manila. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to cook very famous Indian dish. It's not only famous in India, it's famous all over the world. Today I want to show you how to cook butter chicken. To make this classic and incredible Indian dish, we need to cook it in two parts. The first part will be the sauce and the second part will be the chicken. So let's do the first part. So first part, what I have here, fresh tomato in a cooking pan. Let's add some water, around 1 liter of water. Add tomato. Always use the red tomato, don't use the green one. Your butter chicken will become sour. So we don't want that sour chicken. We want butter chicken. Fresh red tomato. It's around 1 liter of water, and I am using 1 kg of fresh tomato, 50 grams of ginger, ginger 50 grams, garlic, also 50 grams fresh garlic, then green cardamom is about 5 pieces of green cardamom. We want the taste of green cardamom in our butter chicken also. And cashew nuts, 100 grams of cashew nuts. Cashew nuts will give you good and nice texture in your sauce, and same time it will remove the sourness from the tomato. Salt, 1 tablespoon, and cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Let it boil around 30 to 40 minutes. Then let's prepare our chicken. Okay, let's prepare our part 2, chicken. So I have here chicken boneless. It's a thigh. You can use chicken breast or chicken with bone. Anything, is depend on you, whatever you like, whatever part of chicken you like. Then ginger garlic paste and yogurt. So let's marinate the chicken first. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, garam masala, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, half tablespoon salt to taste, chili powder, 1 tablespoon. If you don't want to add chili powder, it depends on you. Don't like chili powder, you don't add, just skip. and fresh yogurt, so about 100 grams. I am using chicken thigh, it's a half kg of chicken thigh. Half kg of chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and chili powder. It depends on you. If you like chili powder, mix it all together and keep the chicken in the refrigerator about 30 minutes. Okay, let's check our tomato. Wow, it's boiled perfectly. Time to switch off the fire and let it cool. And after cold, we'll blend it. Do not blender it while it's hot. So if you want to make faster cold, you can add some ice cubes. So we'll blend it all together. Okay, now let's grill our chicken. So I don't have griller here. What I will do, I will use non-stick pan. And if you have griller at home, you can use your griller or oven. You can cook in oven also. So let's cook the chicken in a non-stick pan. Add some butter. Spread everywhere. Then I will add the chicken pieces. Okay, now our chicken cooked perfect. It looks very nice. It's cooked very nice, and now we'll transfer it in a bowl. So you see here, I am not adding any extra spices. I already add the spice in chicken. That's good enough for our butter chicken. One more thing, I am adding fenugreek leaf. Make the hot. Then add some leaves. Just to remove the moisture from the leaves. And let's add in chicken. Let's give flavor in. $100 grams of butter. Then the last ingredient is fresh cream. It's about 8 ml. Wow, you see the color. So creamy, buttery and smooth. After adding cream, do not cook it long time. Okay, now our butter chicken is ready. Okay, let's put in a serving bowl. Wow. Tara, kain na. Okay. Let's try hot naan. The combination of sweetness, sourness and creaminess thus make this dish very unique. Let it try and let me know in a comment how it went. Please do not forget to like and share my YouTube channel Chef Surat Rana PH. Thank you, and we'll be back some more unique recipes. See you.